"You are my heart" or "You are my sweetheart." This is how we usually call mostly our loved ones. That is because they are that much loved by you. Now with this beginning, we will start our today's new video about heart to heart, and watch the video to the end. It's going to be very informative and helpful. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell too. That way you won't miss any of our new videos. This is all about sharing with you some medical facts which is good to know, and will help you to link why you should protect your heart this much. Yes, it is very interesting to explore our body, how it works, and what are the mechanisms happening there to keep running this factory. Let's touch very little bit about heart. This is a muscular organ comprising cardiac muscle tissue, situated in the center of the chest behind the sternum, which contracts repeatedly and rhythmically to pump blood. In a nutshell, size of the human heart is equal to the clenched fist. Wonderful creation, isn't it? And heart weigh an average of 331 grams. Let's move on to the next point. Have you ever thought of your heartbeat? How important it is? Of course, without that we never exist. Do you know our heart beats more than 2.5 billion times during our lifetime? And this vital organ is continuously doing its duty without any hesitant. But if something starts to go wrong, heart will start to show it as early as possible with various symptoms. Your heart rate is the number of times each minute that your heart beats, which is normally between 60 and 100 times per minute for adults. Your pulse is a way you can feel each time your heart beats. Measuring your heart rate helps you monitor your own health and know if you're exercising at the right level to get the most benefits to your health. Your body automatically controls your heartbeat to match whatever you're doing or what's happening around you. That's why your heartbeat gets faster when you're active, excited or scared, and drops when you're resting, calm or comfortable. The two upper chambers are called the right and left atria, and the two lower chambers are called the right and left ventricles. The right atrium and ventricle together are often called the right heart, and the left atrium and left ventricle together functionally form the left heart. This amazing organ pumps about 2,000 liters of deoxygenated, oxygenated, and nutrient-rich blood throughout your body daily to sustain your life. Yes, your sweetheart is the key part of cardiovascular system, which also includes all blood vessels that carry blood from the heart. Generally, this has two journeys. Number one is to the lungs and back to heart, and second is from the heart to the body, medically known as pulmonary and systemic circulation respectively. Guards of this circulation are valves which are placed within four rooms, namely right and left valves and pulmonary and aortic valves, which make lab dub sound, or the heartbeat we get when we place our ear upon someone's chest. This is incredible. All processes are happening accurately, and to wonder the next there is the electrical activity of the heart to initiate its pumping action. Without this system, nothing will work. An electrical conduction system regulates the pumping of the heart and the timing of contraction of various chambers. Heart muscle contracts in response to the electrical stimulus received, and this is what we trace in special strip called ECG. This conduction system comprised specialized cells, nodes, fibers and fiber bundles dedicated to this work. When the heart stops, essential functions fail, some almost instantly. Given the heart's never-ending workload, it's a wonder it performs so well, for so long, for so many people. But it can also fail, brought down by a poor diet and lack of exercise, smoking, infection, unlucky genes, and more. So as you can see, our heart plays a very major role in keeping our whole bodies function at a smooth rate, performing multiple tasks, and helping each cell providing nutrients nearly to 37.2 trillion cells in our body. But such a complex system should be kept running smoothly by keeping it healthy, by not overloading it with unhealthy products than it can handle. This is one factory that we simply can't afford to shut down. We have explained the main heart unhealthy foods in our previous videos. If you haven't watched it, please click on the link above and get acknowledged and stay healthy. Until we see you in our next interesting video.